I'm in the process of making Millionaire candy, and I've got the 14 ounces of caramel candy in this bowl with 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk, and I'm in the process of melting it. And I've got 2 pans here lined with wax paper, and I'm in the process of chopping 2 cups of pecans. I'm going to add the pecans to the caramels. And you have to work pretty fast when making this kind of candy, because it'll harden again. So we're supposed to drop it by the teaspoonful onto our wax paper. And we need to let these set and harden for just a few minutes. As a matter of fact, it says you're supposed to chill them, so I'm going to stick them in the fridge. Okay, so I have the 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chips, chocolate chips, in the bowl. And I'm going to start those melting. And we are about to start dipping. Going to put some clean wax paper on this pan and get out some toothpicks. I'm hoping this will work. Not quite enough. Okay, I'm going to start dipping our caramel and nut balls. In the chocolate. I'm putting them over here on the clean wax paper. And I put the other tray of pecan and caramel pieces back in the refrigerator. I want them to stay chilled. So they may be a little messy, but we have homemade millionaires. Our afternoon candy making has resulted in 32 homemade millionaires. They're not the neatest millionaires in the world, but they're going to be good. So I've started putting the ones that are dry already into a candy tin. And according to the directions, we're supposed to let them dry at room temperature and store them at room temperature. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Thanks for stopping by.